Welcome to this new lesson. Today we are going to talk about zero and first conditional. First, we are going to talk about zero conditional. This one refers about scientific facts that are generally true and not change. Here we are going to use two classes, the if class and main class. In the if class, we are going to use the simple present tense, and also in the main class. The if class is going to make the condition, and the main class the result of this condition. I'm going to give you some examples using the zero conditional. Number 1. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. Number 2. If you freeze water, you get ice. Number 3. If you boil water, it is hot. Let's see something that you have to know. When the if clause goes first, it's necessary to write a comma and then the main clause. But also you can write first the main clause and then the if clause. There you don't need a comma because the if is going to make the emphasis in the sentence. For example, you sweat if you exercise. Ice melts if you put it in the sun. Here is a little tip for you. The conditional is going to have always if, and the other part is going to be always the result. Let's practice. Take a piece of paper and your pen and let's write 5 sentences using zero conditional. Remember that in zero conditional, both clauses go in simple present. Now let's talk about first conditional. It is used to refer about probable situations in the future. For example, plans, promises, warnings, and others. Here, the if clause is going to be in simple present, and the main clause or the result in future. You have to use the auxiliary will. I'm going to give you some examples. If you work hard, you will travel on vacation. If you don't sleep, you will be sleepy. A little tip for you for this conditional is that in the main clause, you always are going to use will for the future tense because it's something that probably happened. Now, let's continue practicing. In the same paper that you took for the zero conditional, now you're going to write 5 sentences but in first conditional. Remember that the structure of this conditional is simple present in the if clause and will or future in the main clause. Bye bye.